Hello, folks. This is the 25th and final day of Advent of Code. I'm Liz the Gray, and it's been a pleasure doing Advent Code with all of you for the past 25 days. Unfortunately, this is the end of the road for us for this year, except for one wrap-up stream that I'll do tomorrow. It's been a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the last puzzle is. In previous years, some of them have been fairly formulaic, and others of them have taken me 3 to 4 hours to solve, like what happened last year. So with that, let's go ahead and dive into some code. Also, I'm listening in my headphones to Christmas music, but I can't play it on the stream for you all because copyright. All right. I hope everyone is having a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate that. Otherwise, if you celebrate another holiday, happy holidays to you. Happy winter holidays. It's been... I'm going to be really happy when 2020 is over, let us say. So let us hope that 2021 is better. All right. So I cleared out all of my day one code that I still have copied over. And we'll go ahead and prepare to see what Eric has prepped for us. Happy Festivus, Vincent. It's been fun doing this with you. Seeing what you get up to, seeing what I get up to. Awesome. So, the one thing that I noticed that we haven't been given yet this year is an A-star search or any kind of maze exploration, so I'm kind of crossing my fingers, hoping that's what we get, but we'll find out. But yeah, if you want to see what I'm listening to, let me see if I can share this. This is what I'm listening to. Listening to the Piano Guys classical Christmas. May not necessarily agree with their decision to play President Trump's inauguration in 2016. Those were the days when we thought that was the level of bullshit rather than what we're dealing with today. All right. So let us go ahead and open up this puzzle as soon as it unlocks in 15 seconds. Have a drink of water, because I'll probably be hands and keyboard after this gets going. So I'm curious what the map looks like when it animates at the end, but I guess we'll find out. Alright. Check-in desk. An RFID card. Oh. We're doing crypto. Today's crypto? Okay, so we can iterate by trying the loop sizes to get the public key to match. And then you can calculate the encryption key. Okay. So let's get the input. And then once we have this, then we'll have the 25th puzzle then, because the 25th puzzle is, do you have all the other stars? All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So this is just literally 2 numbers. All right, so the first one is the door. Wait, which number is which number? All right. So I guess let's do it this way and assume that I'm correct, and if I got it wrong, I got it wrong. So let's set up the simple as well. So the simple is going to be where is my example? So that one's that, and this one is this. Ah, no. All right. All right, so we always start with 1. All right. Start with the value 1, the number of times, okay, so why is 1227 relevant? This is, oh, because it's a prime. All right. So red is 1. So subject is going to be that's definitely impossible. I love it when we see the words "that's definitely impossible" in a advent of code problem. I always love that flavor text. All right, so okay, so for loop size starts off as 1, but we can repeatedly increment until we get the correct loop size number. I'm going to just bound this so I don't loop forever. All right. So we start by taking the subject number. So what's my subject number? Is my initial subject number always... I don't understand. So is my subject number always 7? Oh. They transform each other's subject numbers. Okay, I see. I see. All right, I understand. Okay, so subject and target. Okay. All right, so number of times called the loop size. Yep. Okay. I is less than loop. Oh, never mind. All right. So let's just set this to some artificially high number. If value starts as subject, start with the number 1. Oh, so value starts as 1. Value equals star equals subject. Value percent equals. All right. If value is target, return I. Oh, and I need to start with 1 instead of 0. Okay. So let's just loop Let me just double check that we have this correct. Okay. This writing still feels a little bit opaque to me, but we'll roll with it. All right. So the door card. Okay. So initial subject number is wait. Oh, the subject number is always 7. Okay, so I'm given each of the public keys. I think. I don't fully understand this. Let's try this and just see whether that spits out some things. That's what we might expect. Okay, these should never fire, but it's always better to be paranoid than not. All right. All right, so for instance, that does say 8 and 11, is that correct? The door's loop size is 11. Okay, so I have these reversed. Alright, so now let's run on my real input. No. What's my... Oh, I see. I'm given the 2 public keys. Let's see whether we just need to search a larger space. I'm really worried of letting this run forever. Okay, there we go. So now we have the door and cards loop number. Okay, now I understand this. Okay, that just took a little bit of doing to figure out which input was which. All right. All right, so... So... door loop and card loop. All right. So now it just says so according to the loop size. Now we... Oh, I can use either device's loop size. Okay, so it's fine. All right. So the subject is going to be card. All right, so let's check it on my test input. Line 34. Hey, Viwu, I'm just having problems with reading comprehension today. All right. 34. All right. All right, and that produces that value indeed. Okay. I swear I can totally read. Great. Rank 569. Yeah, I can pay the deposit. I'm just doing this in order to get my place in the line. All right. So now there are Easter eggs to look at, but let's look at this so I can read the flavor text. Oh no! We have to fix the soft serve machine, and the Santa left us an extra star. So now we've paid the deposit, and now we can enjoy our vacation. Wonderful. Okay. Wait, so I didn't need to actually find all of the loop values. Okay, that's fair enough. All right, so let's go ahead and check that in. A 25 day solution. All right, let's have a look at the animation. Oh, there's a storm. Hi, storm. Is there anything else? Does the sea monster... Oh, the sea monster moves. That's cute. Awesome. Well, thank you all for coming along for the ride with me. This was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed having to code as much as I did. Let's make sure that we've pushed this up. So you can have a look at this on github.com/LizTheGray/adventofcode. And if you enjoyed this, if you want to, thank you so much, Eric. This year was fun. It was easier than previous years, but I think we all needed that in 2020. And I'm going to go back and do day 20 properly tomorrow, probably. I hope you get some rest, Eric, knowing that, there can be no more production mishaps this year. Awesome. Well, let's go ahead and call this a wrap, folks, and I'll see you tomorrow for recap. And say hi to your wife, too, Eric. I'm sure that your wife will appreciate seeing you for the first time, for the first night in a while. Oh, hey, Charmed K, there you are. I hope you and Eric both get a solid night of sleep.